set.
I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking, that's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions, that's something I do. I've been rolling around, I've been rolling around, that's something I do. I've been rolling around, I've been rolling around, that's something I do. I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking, that's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions, that's something I do. I've been rolling around, I've been rolling around, that's something I do.
What's up? All right, so we're getting ready to do the first startup of the season. Going over, checking, making sure everything's good. It's been a while since I had the laptop on this deal. Yeah, I don't know whether the chances is gonna fire up, but we're gonna find out. And Mike says we have starting fluid, so the chances are really good.
You sure about that?
Isn't that right, Mike? I don't know where he went. He's hiding on me. Okay, so quick look at it. We got fuel in it. We're gonna try to spin it over and kick some fuel out of here first. Just make sure it's getting up to the rails. Everything was drained. So injectors are in, spark plugs, everything's good there. Yeah, but usually we always forget one thing in this situation, which is normal, so I'm okay with that. But in the meantime, we just try to double check everything we can and go from there. What are you doing to our dog? What do you think? Ready?
Okay.
It's not wanting it. All right, so we might need to pressurize the tank a little bit, and we can take off that breather, stick an air hose on there, and just put a little pressure to it and spin it over, and that'll help. That'll help the fuel.
Help it pick it up.
Yeah, it's once we get it all primed and we get the pressure in there, it's always there. So let's do that.
And here we go.
Check it again. Front one's leaking the O-ring.
Up top, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wonder why it would be leaking up top. It looks like it's on good. Well, I had to get custom ones because for the sniper, yeah, such big injectors.
You just leave those brackets on, just pull the nuts off the rails.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you put those paper towels down there? Because I think when I pull this rail up, it's going to dump a bunch of fuel. Wonder if we can crack this, if we can get some of.
That's what I'm thinking. If we purge the line a little bit. Where's that 7/8 wrench at?
The back pocket up.
Oh.
Go ahead.
There's not as much fuel there as you think.
That's good. Just when it pressurizes.
Yep. I'm gonna have every tool you own in my pocket here in a minute.
And they said when you first start it up, there won't be any problems.
Ever.
Well, at least we're real. You know, some people already start it and then they go, hey, we're gonna do first startup, and then everything goes perfect. Not here. We want to give you guys real content. I don't want to lose that bolt.
Nope, it's on there.
Let me see all the bolts in that guy.
I can get it out.
Okay.
You want to pop it?
Oh, it rings there, cuz. It was coming out of the top, correct?
Guaranteed.
You know what? It's just one of them deals. We might just have to slide it back on.
It looks good.
And there's no cuts in it or anything.
Oh, it looks fine.
This one looks smaller.
Do you have another O-ring?
I wonder if that was one of the cut ones that I see. Yeah, I got another O-ring.
Okay. Oh, it's way smaller than.
Yeah. So there's my pick. So dude, it definitely was a bad O-ring that I changed out. Maybe I just put the wrong size one on it.
That would make sense.
Usually if there's a problem, it's because it's self-induced and I probably did it. That's why we keep backup injectors, not just in case your injector goes bad, but in case you need an O-ring, baby.
That one looks way bigger.
That's what she said.
That's it. Slide it on there.
Hold that feel real. Way better.
Way more better?
Yep.
Is that how you say that? Way more better.
Tell me when you're lined up. Oh, it went on tighter. I feel good now.
What?
Is it not starting?
That's because we wanted it to start. This time we actually don't want it to start, so it should start. Hey Amanda,
Yeah.
what'd you get for dinner?
A bunch of stuff. I just don't know what we're having.
Better call Domino's.
Papa John's is right down the road.
Last nut? These nuts. Got him.
I knew that was coming. I'm trying to be all professional with the cameras around.
No. You gotta keep it real.
Authenticity, baby.
Authenticity. We're rolling. We're good. We feel good about it. What we're gonna do is fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Damn it!
Hold on a minute. Who just farted? Justin.
Give it a crank once, I'll make sure we don't have a leak. And
Okay.
if you don't, then I'll give it a whiff.
All right, let's go. Back pressure's not hooked up. It was by the belt.
Oh.
Is that it? Ouch.
Here, I'm gonna wrap this around your hand or something.
Turns out everything's really hot and I don't have gloves on.
What size is the 7/16?
Yeah. 7 steints. You know what? I'll probably try to get gloves on. There's no way I'm gonna wait for it to cool off. That'd be too easy. Oh, let's see if we can find some gloves.
I don't know about you.
What about rubber gloves? Will that work?
Oh yeah, I'd stick my hand in there.
You would or I would?
Hell no, I wouldn't.
Oh,
You made it.
if you're gonna do it, I was gonna give you the rubber gloves and see what's up.
I don't know why you're being such a damn sissy about it.
Listen, dude, I got fab hands, and not fabrication, but fabulous.
Yeah, they're far from that, my friend. Where's it gonna go?
Right there.
Yeah, how the hell is that gonna happen?
It's gotta go like this.
Oh, around the fuel pump. I see.
Let's see, dude, you gotta have man hands like I do, bro. Ah! Son of a. Actually, I don't know how it went.
No, that's pretty dumb.
Ouch! Son of a.
Probably gonna turn that fitting one more turn and it'd be a lot easier.
No. I'll tell you what, we don't do stuff easy, but that was the right angle.
Yeah, it has to be that way.
Turns out everything's firing right because this is hot. You know what? We'll get it after. I need to run it for a while.
That's just a sensor, so
I'm
it's
not too
accurate.
worried about it. Put it back in, let's check it. It's hard to see, this shit's a little bit clearer. It's hard to see. I'll add it here in a little bit. It's actually not far off.
It's really not. It's really
Because I want it like right here.
Cord?
Yeah, I probably need the core.
Can we dump it in now? Right?
Yeah, well, let's dump it in now because I don't mind a little heat.
Where is it?
It's right behind you in that jug. That's a wrap, baby. Let's see for shits and giggles what she made on the two-step. I think I know where I had it. Everything's happy, so that's good. HED power, baby. Make some good stuff. Good stuff. Is that right, Justin?
Right.
Big power, baby, big power. All right, we're gonna download just because I got on the two-step, just make sure it's where it was last season, what I'm telling it to do. I think we're taking off at like 5 pounds of boost now. Something like that. So, check that out, and we're pretty much gonna put this thing on scales and go through some of the changes I made and try to get it where we want. 4-link setup, anti-squat, got a few new things there. So after all that, it's pretty much just loading it up. We'll spend all week working on that. You know, I want a drag car, you have to put in a lot of work. So, and some of the best, or some of the people that do it the best, they know that. So to keep up with the competition, you have to put in your life in this situation. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do right out of the gate. Hopefully it's good. But we got Greer coming up. Those boys talked me into going over there the following weekend, and then 704 Outlaws at Mooresville. First race of the season, so that's pretty exciting. It's right down, I mean, we're 5 minutes from there. So we love that. Let's see what she made here. Money in the bank. Yeah, we're happy with that. We're happy with that. It's like I never left. Everything looks the same. Everything looks the same. All right. That's gonna be it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed our first startup. We had a little struggle at first, but that's normal, right? So that's part of it. Like I said, sometimes you have to deal with little stuff, especially when it's self-inflicted like I like to do. It was an O-ring I put on there that was wrong, which it looked identical. Turns out I had an O-ring kit and it wasn't identical. So that's where we're at. One little fuel leak, not a problem. Appreciate you guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.
I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking. That's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do.